Hello everybody, my name is Ismael Campos. I come from Costa Rica, but I live here in Colombia. I'm 30 years old. I'm studying Bachelor of English as Foreign Language. Now I want to talk about my daily routines. My daily routines is easy. I wake up normally at 5 o'clock of the morning, and I go to work. I take my breakfast at 9:30. My lunch I take it at 12, 11 and a half, and 12. At 2 o'clock I finish to work. I have to say that I have rotative turns. I work in Hotel Wyndham. I am security guard. After I finish my job, I'm back home, and at 4 o'clock I go for my boy. He's 3 years old, and I pick him up, and after that I started to study or start to make the dinner. At 6 o'clock of afternoon I dinner with my wife and my son, and sometimes we watch a movie, and I don't know, we take a break for the day. Sometimes we speak or talk about our days, and at 9 o'clock of the night, we prepare for sleep, and I don't know what else. That's my daily routine. And my weekly routines is the same. Sometimes I work at night and afternoon or in the morning. So I try to make different things in the day, and each week I try to go to the park with my son, and sometimes I drink a beer. I don't dance, so I go with my wife to buy anything, and I bring some beers to drink here in my home. And normally I chat with my mom or my sister, because she and they are living in Costa Rica, and when I feel alone, I call them, and we try to speak as a family and try to solve our problems. And especially my day off is Saturday or Sunday. I think that is my life. That's my life, and that's my routine, and my weekly routines and my daily routines. My physical description is, as you can see, I have short hair, black short hair. I think that my eye is brown, but it's better said that it's dark eyes. And I have small ears. I have brown skin. I'm a middle height, and I'm slim, not too much, but I'm slim, and I don't know, I have big arms, and I don't know what more to say. Hmm. I think that is all I can say. So, bye. See you.